Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix chat theme option not showing on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Instagram. Click on that and click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search for Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application by clicking here. So once you update, you simply need to go back and open Instagram and log in into your account. So once you done that, you simply need to click on this messenger icon, open any conversation, click on that person name and click on theme. And so here I'm going to select the theme, and now you can see that a theme is updated as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.